In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're updating your contact details, keeping your account secure, or you simply want coworkers to reach you more easily, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Microsoft Teams. Once the homepage loads, you'll see all your main sections on the left side of your screen, including Activity, Chat, Teams, and the calendar where all your scheduled meetings appear. To access your account settings, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, a small menu will appear showing your name, email, and a few options. Look for My Microsoft Account and click on it. Teams will take you to your Microsoft account page, so give it a moment to load. Once the page opens, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of all your account settings. Click on your info. This section contains all your main profile details such as your name, birthday, country or region, and language preferences. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Scroll slowly through your info so you don't miss the section you need. Doing this beforehand helps prevent confusion, especially if you're new to the Microsoft account layout. Now scroll down to the account info section. Here you'll see your email and right below it, your phone number settings. To add your phone number, click on Edit Account Info. For security reasons, Microsoft will ask you to sign in again, so enter your password and click Sign In. Once you're inside the Edit panel, you'll see the option to add phone number. Go ahead and click on it, choose your country from the drop-down list, and then type in your phone number. When you're done, click Next. Microsoft may send a verification code to confirm it's really you, so make sure your phone is nearby. After completing verification, your phone number will be successfully added to your account. It's also a good idea to double-check the number afterward to make sure everything was saved correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your phone number in Microsoft Teams easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?